Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Chess. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to Hobbycraft, and from what I've seen online on like different videos of people showing their Easter stock, it honestly looks like a neutral Easter spring home decor dream, and I'm so excited to go and see what sort of bargains I can get. I've already been having a little look on the Hobbycraft website, and I've seen that they do these new like glass hanging decorations, like hanging glass eggs and bunnies, which remind me of the White Company ones that I showed in last week's video. So I'm sure those two will complement each other really nicely, but hopefully they do stock them in my Hobbycraft, as I'll be really sad if they don't. Yeah, I'm really excited to go to Hobbycraft, see what I can find, and I can't wait to bring you all along with us as well. Also, you might have noticed I'm wearing a different necklace. It's very similar to the one I usually wear. It's just like a gold simple necklace, but how pretty is this? Let me give you a close-up. How pretty is this necklace? I love like gold dainty necklaces anywhere. Like I've always got like my platinum ring, but I like to mix metals. Like I like a gold necklace, I like to wear gold rings on this hand, and like my engagement ring on this hand I'll wear like gold jewelry. I love to mix metals, and I'm thinking for the wedding band I'm going to go with a gold wedding band, so then I've got like the two metals on the one finger, just because I like the gold and silver look together. So this gorgeous gold dainty necklace is from a beautiful brand called Victoria London Jewelry, and I am very picky with my jewelry and very fussy, and I'll only wear certain types of jewelry. Like, as you know, I'll literally wear that gold necklace that I usually wear like every single day. Like, I'm very particular with what I wear, and this brand stocks the most beautiful, dainty, like expensive looking jewelry. I was honestly like looking at the website like, oh my god, I love that, I love that, I love that. And this one just looks very high-end, looks so cute, so simple, so pretty. I love something very like small and dainty as a necklace, because then it just adds a little bit of something, adds a little bit of glam, but it's not too much, and that's what I really love when it comes to jewellery. So yeah, no doubt I'll be wearing this non-stop, and they also kindly sent me another necklace as well, and this one is just as pretty. It's gold as well. I feel like this one would be lovely to like gift to a partner or someone, or like a family member, because it's like two hearts. Let me see if I can show you properly. It's like two hearts intertwined, and I think that is so pretty. I feel like I could definitely layer those together. I loved layered necklaces when they're both really simple and dainty. I feel like it looks like a really cute, cool look. So yeah, I just wanted to show you those beautiful necklaces. You need to go and check out the rest of their range online. I will leave everything linked down below, like their website and their Instagram and everything. And I also have, I think it's a 20% off code, which is really a really good saving. I think it's just Floralie for 20% off any purchase that you make on Victoria London Jewelry. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching the video, and let's head to Hobbycraft. Big child. Hey guys, we've just got home. You'll have seen we went into M&S. So before I show you like all the home decor bits that I picked up, I just wanted to show you the little gorgeous bits that I got in M&S. Look how pretty these tulips are. I thought they were so stunning, and they were only £3.50 per bunch, so I got two of them. I just love how they're white, but they've got like a hint of pink in. So pretty. So I'll be popping those in a vase later today. And then for my lunch, this is a really unhealthy lunch by the way, but it's this like cheese cob that's already sliced. So I'm going to pop that in the toaster and have some cheesy bread with some butter on. And then for afters, I'm going to have an extremely chocolatey hot cross bun. How good do they look? Hey guys, finished my lunch now. It was such an unhealthy lunch, but it was so good, and plus we're going out tonight, so it's always good to have like something stodgy like bread and stuff before you go out, so that's my excuse anyway. Thought I'd show you what I got from Hobbycraft. They didn't have the glass hanging bunnies and I was so upset, and they literally said, oh, we're due an order back in like this afternoon, but obviously I couldn't like wait, and I couldn't come home and then go back again because that's just silly. But I did get some other cute stuff. So firstly, I got some white carrots. Why, may you ask? What I wanted to do with these, I like little hanging carrots, but I'm wanting to make a little like carrot garland for the bunny room for like some decoration, just either for just Easter time or just all year round, because obviously bunnies love carrots and they don't just need to be out at Easter time, and I just thought they were dead cute, dead neutral, and will match the aesthetic of the bunny room really nicely. Then I also got two of these little wooden hanging bunnies. I think these were like £1 each. They're so cute. They've got a little pom-pom on them, and I thought they would be cute for like a tablescape, just popping on someone's napkin or plate, or just hanging from some stems. And then although they didn't have the glass bunnies, well, it's not glass, it's like acrylic, it's like clear acrylic, they did have loads of different acrylic eggs. They had ones that reminded me of the White Company eggs that I showed last week, but they were like, you could separate them and put them back together again. I think they were hanging. They had like a line down them so you could tell where they were joined together, so they weren't like a dupe, I would say, but they are quite similar, like with the clear egg. But yeah, no bunnies, but I did manage to get these glass hanging eggs. I think these were like £1 each as well. Let me check my receipt. Yeah, they were £1 each, which isn't too bad, and they come with a nice white ribbon as well, nice and neutral, and match my White Company decorations really nicely as well. And then the last things that I picked up from Hobbycraft were this wreath and this blossom garland. Now, I saw Ashley from the Suffolk Nest do a beautiful reel the other day, and she got this wreath, or like a similar wreath, from Hobbycraft, and she attached blossom stems to it, and it looked absolutely stunning. So I've definitely been inspired by Ashley because I want to do the same. And I don't know if Ashley was doing it to be like a White Company dupe or not, or just to be like a really pretty wreath. It works both ways, but White Company do a wreath that's like similar to this. It's like brown, it's got white flowers on, and it's £50. It's absolutely stunning, and I feel like when I make the wreath, I feel like it will look so much like the White Company one. So watch this space. So this base was £5.50, and the blossom garland was £9.50, and I absolutely hate the colour of these leaves. So what I plan on doing is ripping off little sprigs of blossom and then attaching them, and then I also got some like wire, just like black wire, and you know, wire it all around, and then you should, I think another one's just fallen off here. It's not very sturdy, this garland, but then it should look really pretty all the way around, really spring-like, and yeah, I can't wait to make that. I'll probably make it in this video, maybe not today because I am a little bit busy today, but I'll probably insert it in this video, so you guys will see it today, but I won't be making it today. But yeah, how cute is that gonna look? I don't even know where I'm gonna pop it. I might even pop it like on the inside of the front door so I can see it, so it'll work outside. But yeah, cute little DIY hack there for a much cheaper White Company alternative if you're after one. Then, as you know, we went to M&S and I got those goodies that I showed you before, and then we did go to Wilko, and I saw these and I thought these were the same ones as the Matalan ones. Like, I was convinced in the shop, and these ones were £3 from Wilko, but I've just got home and they're not the same, but they do look very similar and still very pretty. Like, I'll still use them, maybe not in the same bouquet, but I'll use the two in different bouquets. So that was everything that I picked up today. Let me know what you guys think of all the items in the comments down below. Hey guys, it's the next weekend now, and I'm feeling very excited today because I went to my second wedding dress try on session today, and I said yes to the dress. Honestly, it feels so weird like to have made that decision, because you dream of getting your wedding dress like for so long, don't you? And this dress that I've chosen is stunning. Like, I love it so much. It's everything that I wanted. I wish I could show you all, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait until obviously the wedding day, but I'm just in love with it. It's absolutely beautiful. It was from a shop in like the Whalley Clitheroe area of Lancashire. Lulu Brown's Bridal it was called, and the girls in the shop were just absolutely lovely. They couldn't have done enough for us. The dress was stunning, and then when they added the veil on, I just knew, like, I cried, and I didn't think I was going to cry. I don't know, you just, like when you watch Say Yes to the Dress and everyone's crying, and like, I just didn't think that was going to be me, but Yeah, there we go. I can't wait. I love it so much. I'm so excited. But anyway, that's not what I've come on to talk about. Well, a little bit. I've come on to talk a little bit about that. But I have just started making the Hobbycraft blossom wreath, and then I was like, oh my god, I don't even have my YouTube camera set up when this was meant to be in the YouTube video. So I'm gonna go back into the kitchen with my YouTube camera and show you what I've done so far, and then like I can show you the rest of it now. So let me take you into the kitchen. It's looking really cute so far. As you can see, I've got my little Instagram reel set up. So what I've done so far, I literally just like picked off, it's so easy, I picked off all the blossoms from this garland, and then I've just wrapped some of the wire like all the way around, and there are all the blossoms there. Really, really pretty. Looks so much better without those bright green leaves. And I'm just like inserting them in all the way around, and I think it's going to look so nice. So I'll just prop you up on tripod, and then I'll be like filming the reel at the same time. So I'm just gonna like put some music over me making the wreath. So here it is. I think it is so pretty. Very White Company vibes, a very good White Company dupe, and it literally cost no money at all, maybe like £15 for the wreath and the garland. So yeah, like I said in the first part of the vlog, I was definitely inspired by the Suffolk Nest when I saw her do, she got a plain Hobbycraft wreath, and then I think she just used some like random blossom stems that she already had, but I saw that Hobbycraft did these blossom garlands, so I just thought that it'd be perfect together. And I think it is just so pretty, so spring-like, very white and neutral, and just like a little hint of green, none of that like really bright green that was on the garland. So yeah, I am just in love with it. So cute. So this is the wreath on the peg shelf. I think it looks super pretty, started with all those other accessories. I just love it. I think it's such a good little DIY to create a nice spring decor piece. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I also just thought that I would show you guys these prints that have arrived from Trove Prints. By the way, yes, I have changed my top. I've been filming reels and stuff like in amongst filming bits for YouTube. So yeah, that's why I'm in a different top. But how beautiful are these prints? I was literally spoilt for choice on their website. If you go on the website, I'll link it down below, on their Instagram, you will want to buy every single print. They are so gorgeous. They're all vintage and neutral and muted colours. They're stunning. So I got these ones. I think it's called like Vintage Roses or something to do, obviously roses. But how gorgeous is that? I need to get some really cute frames. I thought this one would be perfect in the laundry room because obviously it's laundry hung up. And I just think it's gorgeous. And then this one, I'm really excited about. This is one that I want to pop on my stairs, like on the wall on the stairs. I just think they look a bit bland at the minute, and I think this will really make the space look a bit better. One second, I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I cannot do it with one hand. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Like blossoms, my favourite. How pretty is that going to be in a gorgeous frame? Let me show you where I'm going to pop it. I'll hide all the mess with the print. Excuse the coat on the banister, but I'm thinking in this space here. Let's see. I'm not going to be able to like get a kind of good shot. This is literally a fail, but it's going to look like that in like a nice like brown vintage frame. I think it's going to look so gorgeous. It's going to tie in with the olive tree really nicely, and the browns in like the basket down there. So yeah, watch this space. No doubt I'll have it on my Instagram soon, and I'll show you guys on YouTube when it's up and finished. Since I have been like filming some reels and stuff, I thought that I would just take you upstairs and show you some styling, because when this video goes live, I feel like this will already be on Instagram, and it just looks really cute and spring-like, and I'm really happy with it. So let me flip you around so you can see how I've styled my new pieces. So this, you may recognise it, this is the Matalan tray. How stunning does it look on the bed? I'll just turn the brightness down. This tray is just beautiful. I love the scallop details so much. I just love scalloped anything. so pretty, and I thought, would it clash with like my wicker pieces, but I don't think it does. Like this is seagrass and that's obviously wicker, and then that over there is rattan, so I've got like everything going on here, but I feel like they all kind of go together nicely. Just beautiful. I've styled it with a William Morris book on top, and then White Company candle holder with Neptune candle. And then over here I've got a little bit of Easter decor going on. So these brown stems, they're from Duck's Nest Interiors, and I got those a while ago and they look so realistic, and I love to mix them with like floral stems. These ones are my Matalan stems that I showed in a haul, was it last week? Can't even remember now, I filmed that many videos recently, but when I showed the Matalan stems, these are them. I really need more. I'd actually like one more for in here just to make it look a little bit more floral, but whenever I go in there's literally just the pink ones, and I don't want the pink ones. I want these lovely white neutral ones. So when I go in again, I'm going to see if they've got any more, because I feel like another stem might just bulk it out a little bit better, but I really do love how it looks anyway. And styled on the branches, I've got all the White Company eggs. Well, not all of them, I've just picked a handful. So I've got 2 small glass eggs, 2 large glass eggs, and then 2 cream eggs. How cute, I love them. These White Company eggs are the best thing that I've ever bought, honestly. And then I've got it styled with a little ceramic bun. I think that is just like dead cheap from Just So Interiors. Oh, we're losing focus, there we go. I just love adding like minimal Easter decor, I think it's super cute. And then this one is my Neptune tissue box holder hack that I turn upside down and use as a tray, and I've got a poppy head vase in there from Habitual Home, and I think that's IKEA, but it looks quite White Company with the ribbed glass, and I'm pretty sure it was like £1, £2 or something. And White Company book and photo of when we got engaged, which is so exciting considering today I just picked the dress. Oh, I'm just on a high right now, guys. So yeah, I'm going to end the video there, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the Hobbycraft spring haul and the spring home decor DIY and the bedroom styling, all the things that I showed. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. As you know, I love speaking to you guys in the comments, and I really appreciate it if anyone does leave a comment, as it just boosts me out into the YouTube algorithm, and I really do need a boost right now. So now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to film one more reel before my friend comes and picks me up. We're going out for tea at Albert's in Standish, if anyone knows that. It's a really nice restaurant, really nice decor and stuff, and really good food as well. And I feel like I've not seen my friend, like my 2 best friends, in ages. It's been far too long, so we're going out for tea, and I can tell them all about saying yes to the dress. I'm so excited, guys. Honestly, I can't wait to put the wedding video on YouTube next spring. I'm just so excited, and I'm excited to like see it all come together. I knew like from the start that we would get a videographer, because I just want to like replay the day again and again and again forever. But yeah, I'm rambling now as always, but I will see you next Sunday with a new video. Bye.